Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back in with another tech video. So I did get these. These are actually not for me. This is for Mrs. Tech Gamer. So we got these and I figured I'd do an unboxing video review on this, and why not, you know? So this is the Dr. Dre Powerbeats Pro. So yeah, let's do an unboxing and check it out. Alright, so before we open the box, let's take this plastic stuff off real quick. Use the new knife I got. Man, the box is actually really nice. Now, these did retail for... Okay, so these were about 250 bucks. And the reason, yes, I know, 250 bucks for Dr. Dre Beats. But these batteries last up to 9 hours. 9 hours, 24 hours worth of charging case. So, these actually last longer than the actual iPods, from what I heard. So, let's open up and check it out. Alright, so we're doing a camera view this way, because this is probably the best way to do it. So let's open the box, man. Actually, how do we even open it? I think we open it from the bottom. Slide it up. The box is actually pretty freaking nice. Straight black. Beats. Wow. These are freaking nice. Wow. Look at that. Come right in there. Boom. Got a nice little Beat logo. That is really nice. I don't know anything about this, so this is all new to me. So we're gonna figure this out. Check out the specs. Sweat and water resistant. So if you guys want to know, sweat and water resistance. I did get these at T-Mobile. So yeah, if you guys want to check them out, I'll put down the website or maybe the Amazon. Adjustable fit ear hooks. And for music and phone calls. So you can charge it right here. You plug it in, charge it, and it charges the Beats. I don't know, I might get me a pair. Mrs. Tech Gamer, these are really nice. We are going to hook up my new phone to it. And there they are right there. This is just up a little higher. Wow. These are just freaking amazing. Alright, so yeah, we'll connect my cell phone to it. My new cell phone. I did do a video on this, guys. Check it out. Okay, to pair, keep headphones in case. Remove. Okay. Why is it telling me to remove? It's got a little sticker in there telling me to remove. So here they are. They look like they are good to go. It's got that little light on it. So I guess that's an indicator to saying they're good. These things are freaking nice. They do hook in there. Basically, you hook it this way into the little side. And they do hook in there and they charge. Close the case. These are really actually small. Let's see. How do you work these bad boys? Alright, so it says right there, super small. It says right. So let's check out the right. So basically, you're going to like... I guess wrap it. How do you put this on? Go like this. Put it on here. Just I guess raise it up. Wow, it's staying there actually pretty good. Hooks around the ear, right there, and then this is the left. Wow, those things are not going anywhere. These are. So basically, you stick it in your ear like this and then raise this up. Alright, so pretty much I got them in. They're a little weird to put in at first, so I can't kind of hear myself. So how do we know where the power button is? It's got the booklet on the bottom. So you got the booklet down here on the bottom after you lift this. I didn't see that until now. It's inside here. Inside there like this. Take this out. Alright, that was a really pain to take all that stuff off. So here's the wire that actually plugs it in. You can charge it. Just plug it in there. It does take this little port micro, plug it in there, and then you just plug into your adapter, and that's it. All right, so it comes with the instructions, all this stuff, a little Beat sticker. Definitely gonna have to be looking at the instructions because I don't know anything about this as much as you guys do. So basically, the Beat part is the volume would be on the ear, right here, and then this will be the power. So let's see, let's check this out. Okay, so they are magnetic. You just put them in, and they just magnet it straight to the thing. I didn't know that, and they just plopped in. So let's see. All right, so basically, before you take them out, hit that button down below, hold it, and pair it with your phone. It took me a little while because I have an Android, so I did pair it. So let's check them out and try them on. Now, if you have the iPhone, it will connect automatically and pair it and show it. I'll put this down here, but for Android, it's a little more not as fast. It's still fast, but it's just iPhone connects because these are meant for iPhone, but they also do work on Android. All right, so they're pretty much on once you pair them. And you do have like the little volumes up in the back and stuff, but I'm learning how to use this, so this is all new to me. So let's just play some music and find out what it sounds like. My phone is only halfway, so. So the volume down's on this side, and the volume up. Wow, they sound hella good. I mean, they sound amazing. Now, these are more for athletic and stuff, sports and stuff, running and jogging and stuff. They are a little pain to put on for the moment, but probably once you get used to it, you'll know right is right. Hook it like this, kind of lift your arm up, bam. I mean, so it's pretty simple. You just got to get kind of like used to it. Wow, they sound really good. Wow. Oh, okay. So on this side, you could play, pause. They sound really, really good. They should be for $250. Fit really nice around the ears. So you can take phone calls on this and actually talk to people. I'm actually gonna have to get me a pair, honestly. And I'm assuming they just disconnect or turn off. I mean, you just put them back in the little box like this. And now the cool part I do like about these are magnetic, so they just flop right in there. Put the camera back down. They just flop right in there. Pretty simple. Take it out. Boom. It's right back in there. It's ready to go. They do need to be charged. They're red. So I'm going to plug them in and give them a charge. That is really awesome. I really like this. Now, these are set up for iPhone, but they do work for Android, and they sound really amazing. Guys, check out my unboxing video also on my 7 Android. So, I mean, honestly, great product. I never listened to Beats before. This is probably the first time, so I'm not disappointed, of course. I will put this down on my tech playlist down below. Sorry, there's gonna be a lot of editing and stuff and raw. So, guys, just bear with me. I just want to do a little unboxing on that and stuff. I like doing unboxings and reviews and just do it right there and learn as we go. They connect very easy and they work very good, and then they sound great. So they're charging right now. So all right, guys, thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will check you guys later.